What's up, guys? So it's your boy Quay, Pray for Traction. Got the 350 here. It's currently 5 o'clock p.m. on Friday. I'm waking up at midnight in the morning, so 12 midnight Saturday, and driving up into Alabama, really far away to a track called MidPond. And as you can see, this car's not on the trailer yet. I don't have no tires. So I got to swap the wheels out, get it on the trailer, load my extra wheels, everything, get the truck going. You can see the tow pig there. Also got a single car trailer. I've got a 2 and a 3 car trailer back there, but I don't use my 3 car trailer as much as I thought I would. So I picked up another single car, and yeah. So Big D is going to be going with us. Unfortunately, his 240 is not going to make it on this trip, which is why I got the single car trailer. But this should be a pretty fun adventure. Remember, it's going to be my 3rd time drifting, a whole new different track. So I'm nervous. I got a whole lot of work ahead of me. Need to get a couple hours sleep so that I'm able to have fun and provide a good video for you guys. Peace. All right, got some fresh tires on it. Oh yeah. Damn, I'm whooped, guys. This Florida heat ain't no joke. What's up, guys? So got me and Big D. We're in the F350. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning and we hardly got any sleep, but as you can tell, we're leaving so early in the morning because this place is so far away. So hopefully we get some good content for you guys. So look at this, guys. We're so far up in Alabama, there's actually mountains up here. If you don't know, we're from Florida, so it's all flat. So to have mountains like this is kind of wild. And it's currently 6 o'clock in the morning. What's up, guys? Haven't been videoing a whole lot, just been trying to get the layout of this new track, and honestly, first 2 times kind of okay. 3rd time I went off track twice, so I'm battling my blood sugar. I'm diabetic, so it's a little high, so it's keeping my nerves and everything like elevated. So I'm trying to calm down and just, you know, link the track and all of that. So let's see what we can do. What's up, guys? So just got back in the house, and unfortunately I didn't film a whole lot of video. As you can see, I'm super tired. I didn't get any sleep. I've been up for like 36 hours now. Like, it was so far up there, so far back. It's insane. But it's a real technical, tight track, and me and Big D, we were just focused on just trying to learn the track and do the best we could, and really forgot to film a whole lot of video. So I apologize. Hopefully you forgive me, and check us out in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, so as you seen in that last video clip, I was whooped. We had just gotten in. You can do the math, but we had woke up at 5:30 on a Friday in the morning, and then we didn't get back home until 9 to 10 o'clock at night on Sunday. So yeah, we were up for a long time and just whooped. But we didn't get a whole lot of footage. I apologize for that, because not only were we on lack of sleep, but we were just kind of focused on trying a new track and not necessarily filming. But we got a little bit of film, and I've got two really big announcements. Like, it's gonna blow your mind. And we got Big D's 240 back in the shop. We're getting it ironed out, and look forward to these announcements. It's going to be big. So thanks for sticking with us, guys. Love you so much. Peace.